small-scale provider is a provider that meets specific criteria based on the size of their business. To be considered a small-scale provider, the business must be a micro or small enterprise. According to the Commission, Recommendation 2003-361 EC, a microenterprise is defined as a business with fewer than 10 employees and an annual turnover or balance sheet total of less than EUR 2 million. Similarly, a small enterprise is defined as a business with fewer than 50 employees and an annual turnover or balance sheet total of less than EUR 10 million. Let's take an example to understand this better. Imagine there is a small software development company called TechCraft. To determine if TechCraft qualifies as a small-scale provider, we need to assess their employee count and annual turnover. TechCraft has 20 employees, which fulfills the criteria for a small enterprise, as it has fewer than 50 employees. Now let's look at their annual turnover. TechCraft's annual turnover is EUR 8 million, which is less than EUR 10 million. This means that TechCraft qualifies as a small enterprise according to the Commission recommendation. Therefore, TechCraft falls under the category of a small-scale provider according to the EU AI Act. If TechCraft develops an AI system and intends to place it on the market or put it into service, they would be subject to the relevant regulations applicable to small-scale providers. The regulations would ensure that TechCraft complies with the guidelines and standards set specifically for small-scale providers in the AI industry,